Alright guys, this is D Smooth the Barber, and today I'm going to unbox the #1 clippers for 2025. I've done the research, so you don't have to. This is the best clipper set that you're going to get for the price. Clipper, trimmer, and shaver. Check it out. So just to let you know, this is what I've been rocking. Of course, the classic fast feeds. Andes, cordless, NV, LI, and my favorite outliners to date would be the Andes T outliners. And for shaving, I would use the Norelco. These are good to shave for ball fades. Like I said, I've done the research. I've been looking for a nice upgrade for my clippers, and I needed something that was dependable, something that was powerful, but yet quiet, something that was light and had a good grip to it. So I did my research, and there's a new company called TPOB, right? Depop. Stands for the Pissed Off Barber. It's a company, it's a barber owned and ran company, and they fix their clippers for barbers. So they come adjusted and everything already. So I'm about to unbox this and let you see the clipper of choice. This is the TPOB Pro Play. So this is it right here. And I really like it because the clippers have 5-hour runtime. Comes with the EXO Play blade, and the trimmers come with a softy blade. And this is supposed to be like the best for edging and debulking everything. And it comes with a shaver, 3-hour runtime. So let me unbox it and show you what it looks like, and I'll even show you how they cut. All right, gonna unbox this here. Shrink wrap. Okay. Boom. Very nice. And they're slimmer than the Andes and much lighter. They have a nice cool grip on the back. Nice indent on the front for your thumb. Okay. And these are the trimmers. Comes with the softy blade. Very nice. Like, they got the grip on it and everything. It's like very comfortable. Can't wait to try them out. And this is a shaver. Very nice. Gotta see how these shave. All right, so boom, boom. Power supplies for each. Comes with oil, lubricant. Oh, it has tools. And it looks like it comes with 6 clips. It has 6 guards. It comes with 6 guards. Let's see what else we got from there. That looks like it. Real cool, trendy box. All right. Again, another thing I liked about these clippers is, again, the size, the power. The power is what got me. It runs 7,500 RPM. Like, that's powerful for a wireless clipper. Powerful. I did the pros and cons, so you didn't have to. For the price of these clippers and the quality, you can't beat it. This is what you want to jump on. And I'm not sponsored, I don't get nothing free. I had to pay for these. I'm just letting you know because I did the research. Because I'm a barber, I'm looking to upgrade. These were the best ones that I found. So if you're looking to upgrade, this is a great option here. But guess what? I'm gonna show you how they cut. All right, so trying out this trimmer, and it shaves pretty good. It debulks the hair very, very good, nice and clean. And it feels good, it's nice and light, very quiet. As you can see, this is straight out the box. I didn't even adjust it. You can see how clean it cuts. These trimmers are really nice. And again, this comes with the softy blade. Good for debulking and edging. So now this is the clipper, and I really like how this fades. It fades really smooth, and the adjuster clicks so you know what level you're at. You know, sometimes when you adjust your blade, you don't know exactly how much you adjusted it, if someone likes it at a certain length. But with this clipper, you know, according to the clicks, what level you're at when you're adjusting the blade. So you can get that same level every time. Again, just fading it, it's great for fading. Like, this is straight out the box. Again, I just unboxed it and it's just fading. I didn't have to adjust the blades. I really like how the blades are on the clipper. Really like it. And again, it's so quiet. And the power, it's excellent, man. Great choice for 2025 if you're looking about upgrading. As you can see, the fade is so smooth. Yep, so just tightening up the fade around the back and on the side, giving them a low taper. Very pleased with this clipper. And for the price, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. To buy this set, you're buying like one wall. You know what I'm saying? Or one Andes clipper. And you're getting the trimmer and the shaver with it. So I was like, this is a no-brainer. And it was more powerful. And it had a longer running life. So I'm like, man, this is a no-brainer. So, man, I'm liking it. I'm really liking it, man. I hope you guys are liking it too. It's 2025, man. Let's step it up. And I like the fact that this is a Barber-owned and ran company. So they create these tools, man, just for barbers. So check them out, man. You know, ain't nothing to it but to do it. It's 2025, man. Don't get stuck in the past with these old clippers, and they ain't making no upgrades, no changes, same clippers, but they're becoming more expensive. And the T-pop is like, it's created for the barber, you know? It's thinking about the barber while they're creating it, because There's nothing. If you don't know what a barber is and what a barber goes through, you're not gonna know how to satisfy a barber. And I think these clippers were made to satisfy the real barber. All right, man, check it out. Yeah, man. So one more thing. Um, the trimmers were really good for debulking and shaving, but I feel for edging, it wasn't as sharp as I expected it to be. Because again, these are straight out the box. I didn't even adjust anything. This is how they came. And as you can see, they cut pretty good, but I had to go over it a couple times. I feel like if I adjust them, I can get them sharper. So leave in the comments if you want to see what they look like after I adjust them and how they cut. But this is how they cut straight out the box, man. So I ain't complaining at all, man. I'm actually very pleased with them. Very satisfied. I'm excited to cut more hair this week. All right, man. Let me know in the comments what you think. Like and subscribe. This is D Smooth, the barber at Smooth Cuts Barbershop. Yo, God bless.